friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Today I deliver a lecture on array data structure. Array is one of the important topic in data structure. First we discuss what is the requirement of array. This is a very basic and simple program. In this program we can see x is integer type variable and we are assigning value 5 into x. So, value of x is 5. In the next step we are storing 10. So, 10 will be override to 5. So, now new value of x is 10. When we are printing x equal to %d slash n x, so it will print only 10 because 5 will be override or lost, return 0. There is one drawback of ordinary variable. The ordinary variables are capable of holding one value at a time. If we store or if we want to store more than one value at a time, we will always use array variable. So, now this program we will convert into array type. Very easy. Integer x, this is subscript variable x subscript 2. So, there is an array which contain two variables. The value of this array is 5 or 10. We can easily print these values by printf statement, printf %d slash n %d x of 0, because indexing of array always begins from 0 onwards. It will print 5 and this will print 10. So, by array we can store more than one value at a time. Now, we discuss key features of array data structure. It is very simple type, linear type of data structure. Second key point, array permits efficient random access in constant time. We can directly access any array element to the screen. It is most appropriate for storing a fixed amount of data and also for high frequency of data retrieval, as data can be accessed directly. So, as we told earlier, we can directly access any element of array by using its position. The position of array always begins from 0 onwards, 0 to n minus 1. Fourth point, huge amount of data can be stored under single variable name. This is the major key features of array. Only one variable can hold multiple values. Last one, it is helpful to implement other data structures like linked list, stack, queue. So, we can easily implement other data structures stack, queue, linked list by using array. So, these are the basic steps of array. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.